Introducing the definition of high performance and reliability in braking. This 10,000-pound General Duty trailer axle brake assembly, engineered for the left hand or driver's side of your trailer, with a dimension of 12.25 by 3.375 inches, this electric brake assembly is designed to handle a hefty 10,000 pounds per pair, ensuring that your trailer stops in unison with the vehicle every single time. Installation is a cinch with our 7-bolt brake flange design, making the daunting task of replacing your brake assembly as simple as it can be. Compatible with most 10,000-pound axles from reputable manufacturers like Dexter, TK, Texas Pride, among others, this brake assembly is your go-to solution for a smoother and more controlled towing experience. We've got your back when it comes to post-installation adjustment too. The handy adjustment ports at the rear of the assembly are there for easy fine-tuning, ensuring your brake always performs at their peak. And the beauty of it, with just 7 bolts and 2 wires, you have a brand new brake ready to take on the road. Your safety and satisfaction are paramount to us, which is why we offer a 1-year warranty on this brake assembly. At the Trailer Parts Outlet, we're all about providing you with the right parts to keep your trailer in top-notch condition. So if you're in need of a brake assembly, upgrade, or replacement, you know where to find the best. Order your new 10,000-pound trailer axle brake assembly from our online store today and elevate your trailer stopping power to a whole new level.